Good evening, everyone. The highlights of the news this Thursday. Traffic accidents.
How's that look? Is it too dark? It's a little dark in here, isn't it? It's just not properly lit. I have the answer to that in a box right over here. It's a big box, but I think it will help the lighting in this room. Let's take a look. This is pretty nice. I didn't know it would come in this carrying case like this. This thing is extraordinarily packaged. You got the nice canvas bag here. Sturdy foam lining. Power cord, tripod mount. And you've got the diffusers. And then of course you have the light itself. Now, this is not an LED light. It does have a fluorescent bulb. And it is dimmable. A little knob right here. We'll look at that here in just a minute though. And then we've got the light all assembled. It did not come with a stand. Amazon has a package where you can get it with a stand, but I already had one. Previous to this, I had three umbrella lights, that sort of deal. So, regular light stand, just put it on there, tighten down this screw, and you're good to go. Now this is a little tall for this application. I can lower it down some with the tripod legs, or I've got a shorter light stand. I may have to break out the shorter one. So let's plug it in, turn it on, and see what it looks like. Alright, now we've got it all set up here. Got the camera, got the light ring right here. It's 18 inches, by the way. I'm sure you saw it in the description though. And let's turn it on. That is bright. So, like I said, it's dimmable. Right now it's on the lowest setting. It does take a second for the bulb to, once it comes on, to adjust for the brightness. When it comes on, it's really bright. And my eyes are very sensitive to light anyway, so I might have to pull the Casey Neistat and wear my sunglasses inside. But so far, I think it helps a lot here. I kind of like this look that it gives. I can see in the flip out thingy screen over here on my 70D. I'm well lit. The background is a little off though, which I may be able to adjust that in Premiere Pro, or I'll put an umbrella light over here and maybe one back over here just to kind of flood the scene a little more. Maybe put one up a little taller to kind of act as a hair light. Like I've said before, I'm no expert. I try to learn more every day, get my skills sharpened, and just make better videos. And I think this will help tremendously. If you go back and watch my older videos, like I posted that one the other day with the terrible audio, finally got my audio and the video straightened out with this beautiful 70D and the nice Rode VideoMic Pro sitting on top here. So I got good, clean, clear audio and getting the lighting down. In the old house, it wasn't really an issue. The new one here, I've got a couple lamps back there in the corner and a ceiling fan. But this corner over here is a little dark. So, I'm going to be using this for a bit. So far, I like it. It is a Halo brand prismatic light, 18 inches. Not the cheapest 18-inch ring light you can find. Not the most expensive either. There are other lower price good options out there, but I decided to go with this one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next time. Now that I've got this light, kind of getting my lighting figured out, I'll be doing a full YouTube studio / bonus room tour in the new house here. Thanks for watching.